Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a fan of luxury and convenience while jet-setting around the world, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to access the exclusive American Express Centurion Lounge, a hidden gem for eligible cardholders that turns airport layovers into relaxing retreats. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the buzz about the Centurion Lounge? These upscale lounges are designed for premium travelers, offering complimentary gourmet food, top-shelf beverages, high-speed Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and even spa-like amenities. It's like an oasis in the chaos of busy airports. To get started, you need to check if you're eligible. Primarily, this perk is available to holders of the American Express Platinum Card, the Centurion Card, also known as the Black Card, or select business versions like the Business Platinum. If you have one of these, you're golden. Just verify your benefits through the Amex mobile app or website to confirm lounge access. Now, let's talk steps. Step 1. Download the Amex app if you haven't already. It has a handy lounge finder tool to locate Centurion lounges at major airports worldwide, like those in New York, London, or Hong Kong. Step 2. When you arrive at the airport, head to the lounge entrance. You'll need to present your eligible Amex card and your boarding pass for the same-day flight. In some cases, especially during peak travel seasons, you might need to make a reservation via the app to secure your spot. Once inside, bask in the perks. Savor chef-prepared meals, unwind with a cocktail, or catch up on work in a quiet space. Remember, access is typically for the cardholder and up to 2 guests, but always double-check the rules for your specific card. In summary, accessing the Centurion Lounge is a straightforward way to elevate your travels, but it's all about having the right card and planning ahead. If you're not an eligible member yet, it might be worth evaluating if the lounge access justifies the card's annual fee. Thanks for watching. If this guide helps you on your next trip, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe journeys.